Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the JBL Encore 2 party box speaker, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix your Bluetooth pairing issues. So at first you have to enter the settings on your iPhone and Android phone. Here you have to enter Bluetooth both on iPhone and Android phone, and here, as you can see, I do have my speaker in pair devices, but I can't pair with the speaker. It works both with the speaker if it's in the pairing list or if it's not. Now we have to disable Bluetooth and turn off our speaker using the power button. You just have to click the power button. Now we have to wait 10 to 20 seconds, and after this time we can turn on our speaker back again and turn on Bluetooth. Now, as you can see, I do have my speaker in the JBL PartyBox Encore 2 in available devices list, but if you don't have it after entering pairing mode, you can do a hard reset. If you want to do a hard reset, you have to hold the light button and play button at once for 10 seconds at least. And after this hard reset, check if you can connect. If you can't connect, check your device support, because it may be some issue with the speaker. Goodbye!